Shockingly, Zimbabwe has introduced its third currency in just a decade, the Zimbabwe Gold or ZiG, in a desperate bid to tackle the nation's soaring inflation. Yet, the digital version of the ZiG, introduced merely weeks before, has already seen a significant drop in its value against the US dollar on the black market. A whirlwind of economic turbulence indeed. The ZiG, unlike its predecessors, comes with a promise of stability backed by gold and foreign currency reserves according to the Reserve Bank of Zimbabwe. The highest denomination available, the 200 ZiG note, holds an approximate value of merely $15. But this new currency comes with its own set of rules. For instance, withdrawal limits have been set at 3,000 ZiG for individuals and a whopping 30,000 ZiG for companies per week. However, the story takes an interesting turn, as there are no withdrawal limits for parliamentary, judicial, and international organizations, as local media reports. This new currency is Zimbabwe's latest attempt to stabilize an economy that has been in freefall for years. The question remains, will the ZiG be the magic bullet that finally brings stability to Zimbabwe's economy? Or will it become just another chapter in the ongoing saga of economic instability? As the nation grapples with this economic uncertainty, the world watches, intrigued and hopeful. Only time will tell whether the Zimbabwe gold will shine bright or lose its luster in the face of the nation's economic challenges. In the end, the hope is for a stable, prosperous Zimbabwe, where the value of its currency is as strong and enduring as the spirit of its people.